Welcome to JRMSweeps. I'm having an issue with a 2015 JK Wrangler here. The key is sticking, and I'm hoping that it's this piece here, which we'll talk about how to get to remove the lower plastic piece that you see right here. There will be 3 of these guys you're going to need to remove. You'll need some kind of long screwdriver device with the T-bit on the top there to get to these 2 that are tucked in there. And then just wiggle that bottom piece off, it'll come off. To remove the ignition switch here on the Jeep, there is a screw in the back side that you see that right there in gold that we're going to remove. I took the top cover off to give me a little bit more clearance there to remove that guy, and then we'll need to unplug it from the bottom as well. This is the part that we're going to use here. Again, this is a 2015 JK Wrangler. I'm just simply using a pair of locking pliers. There might be an easier way to get to it. I'm just going to kind of do my best to work that guy out. All right, the old ignition is on the left, the new one's on the right. What you want to do is take you a flathead and orient the new internal piece in the same direction as the old piece here. All right, let's test it out. There it is. So that fixed it. I'll put a link in the video description for this particular part here. Thanks for watching.